Is it ya boy or yeah boy? Like. Yeah.
So Eric has his next project.
This thing's been apart.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I mean, I just, on the exhaust manifolds, when I took them off, they were, all the bolts weren't factory. The nuts, I should say. This is all tore up.
Oh, that's always tore up, I feel. No one can do those correctly. I don't understand.
I mean, Matt and I can.
No, I meant like no one else.
I mean, but that tells me the car was apart. There's no other reason that should be up.
Yeah.
I'm sure other people can do it, but all your do-it-yourselfers,
yeah,
they don't know any better, and they yank the thing out. And next thing you know, it's all tore up.
So what are we doing on this thing?
I believe stage 4.
Okay. You doing clutch too?
Yeah, stage 4.
I figured that's why you're on
it.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Heads cam, ammo, valve covers?
No.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Bill said this is getting the works, so.
Nice. Is this the Yeah Boy car?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy. Is it ya boy?
Yep. Maybe it's Ya Boy.
Yeah.
Heads cam, ammo, clutch, all the good stuff. Cool. Good to hear.
Save tonight.
Yeah. Fight the break of dawn. Let's go check on Kyle. How's this thing coming?
Good. Almost about to fire up. I changed the high-flow cats out for the off-road pipes he had in the trunk.
Oh, nice.
Bolt the headers up, fresh oil in it, coolant, all that jazz. We'll be running.
Cool. Can we take a look under the hood real quick?
Yeah.
Sorry to lower it. Nice. That's good. You don't have to go all the way down. See those RPM Frankenstein heads. Look good. Thanks, sir.
Yep.
So headers, Callus X-Pipe, Corsa, intake, some throttle body,
LT2 manifold.
intake manifold, and we're going to be doing E as well.
Correct.
I know he's hopeful for around 500 like that last one did, so we shall see. So we're not able to get a baseline because it's just so far out of tune, so we got to tune it, and then we'll do E. So we'll give you both tune numbers and E numbers. Pretty close. Got it. Next, pull up a little horsepower, up a lot of torque, especially in the middle right there. Air fuel looks dead on. Probably not far away from meeting E. first pull with some E, 40% currently, 503, 508 torque. Good power. Might gain a little bit more if we get it over 50%. Probably not a whole lot, maybe 7 or so. There you guys go. There is your gain from pump gas tune to E85 tune. Well, 65, but it wasn't going to pick up any more, 20% more E. That was as high as we could get it with the tank and everything. A lot of people seem to think that they're going to get 40, 50 wheel horsepower adding E on an LT1, and that's simply not the case, especially not on a stock car. On a stock car, you're lucky to get 5 or 6. So, full bolt-on, E85 over pump gas. Chevy SS, auto. Go ahead, Eric.
I'm going 405.
I think it's just an axle back.
Yep.
I'm gonna go 392.
That's the last one, dude.
Kyle?
398.
Alright. Well, when I say axle back, I mean no mufflers. Man. It's gonna be annoying. See if it helps out. It's a little better. It was very, very lean, just to 14. Yeah, I wouldn't. That's terrible.
Don't climb it, dude.
Yeah. Alright, well, there you go. Unbaselineable. DNF.
Thing's lean.
Yeah, this thing's gonna be obnoxious. You said we're doing headers?
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's gonna be awful.
Alright, well, we got it nice and hot for nothing, so.
That's great.
Have fun.
So Eric has the clutch and everything all done with this. Looks like he's already got the heads off. He's putting the shifter and everything back together right now. How's it coming, pal?
Good, going back together.
Cool. On your boy's car?
Yeah. Ya boy.
Your boy's car.
Or ya boy. We're not sure.
I like yeah boy. Even though it doesn't really say yeah. Just...
Is it ya boy? Or ya boy? Like,
well, there's no, it's not B-O-I-I, although there is 3 Y's,
so yeah, so it's not your boy, it's ya boy.
Yeah, that's probably what it is.
Yeah, makes sense.
What do you guys think? Well, you can't really comment how you would say it, but first or second? I'm gonna go with the second.
What's second? Ya boy.
Yeah, that.
And the first is ya boy.
Yeah, that. That's first.
Like, when people see you drive around, like, that's ya boy. Like, it's like, or is it ya boy? You know, I don't know.
I think there's exclamation on it, even though there is no exclamation point.
Yeah, I'm thinking that too.
I also think we're spending way too much time talking about this, but hey, we have no lives.
People need to know.
That you need to know. And it is not quiet. And it will not be quiet. I will be away tomorrow, so you will not see more progress of this, but
Thank God.
you can rest assured Eric will make some great progress. Slip that cam on in soon. New heads on. Yeah. But we're not going to have anything crazy important on the dyno while I'm gone, maybe like a tune only or something like that. It's not a big deal that we don't film. This will wait till go on the dyno until I'm back. We did have it running. It sounds amazing. One thing we are waiting on, that's why Matt doesn't have the front bumper on, is the TCM. So it's a 2020 and we're having one made, unlocked, whatever. It should be here tomorrow, which I will be away. So Matt will pop that in, get the bumper and everything back on. Then it will hit the dyno when I get back. So, small delay. Not a big deal. But Matt's working on the race car anyways, so when will the TCM be here? Tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
And then Kyle has this SS that we just baselined. He made a mess. Little mess.
Yeah, I got it.
It's okay. We're doing what, just headers?
Heads, cam, headers, and
okay.
mufflers. American Racing mufflers.
Oh, thank God we're putting mufflers on this thing. God. Oh.
Yeah, Bill said he's not going to dyno it unless he put mufflers on.
Thank God.
Loud sounds good, and there's loud and obnoxious. So.
Yeah, no mufflers, headers, basically straight putt. No.
However, do the exhaust look like half the hangers off?
I believe it. A lot of this loom will probably get
Yeah, that's it.
destroyed.
It's, you know, you touch it, it's going to deteriorate.
Break apart. Yeah. So you do your best.
I'll try my best.
3 days later.
So I was gone for a couple days. I am back, waiting for stuff to hit the dyno. This is gonna hit the dyno soon. The yellow C7Z is gonna hit the dyno soon. We got a lot of cars in here, a lot to do, a lot to get out. We were running out of space. Mostly my fault because I was away and we could not film them. But we've got 3 to do today. We've got that SS Kyle just did, or Camaro Kyle just did. We've got this SS, and then we have a C6Z Eric just did. Also, this C7Z, we did the brake conversion and everything on. That bothered me, so I actually went out and bought some stickers for the rear brakes. All right, let's throw these on. I'm just gonna do it through the wheel. There you go. You never know they weren't stock. Looks good.
Stevie extended stay.
Good one, Matthew. How long were you holding that one in? He was probably holding that in all day yesterday and tonight.
God.
He's like, man, as soon as I'm gonna see Steve, I'm throwing that one out there.
Oh, that was a good one.
So Matt, what do you got going on here?
I'm doing a heads cam. Camaro.
Clutch, I'm assuming, since
Yep,
the transit's out.
yep. Sure am.
I saw you just slip the cam in through the back.
Yeah, backdoor sluts number 9.
Number 9, huh? What happened through 1 through 8?
You have to watch to see.
Oh, okay.
It's worth a Google.
Oh, sweet. Nice. You guys baseline some stuff, so you gotta send me some video later. I saw a couple in the group text, but if you can airdrop them to me, it'd be better.
Sure, yeah, I'll just airdrop them to you.
Thanks, pal. You're the best.
You're welcome. You know, it's
What a guy.
really tough doing my job and your job for the entire week you decided to take off.
Well, apparently I don't do anything, so it shouldn't have been that hard. So there you go. Did you edit some too?
Yeah, I did actually.
Oh yeah, what'd you edit?
I just pressed F9 on your computer a bunch of times.
F9. Oh, sweet. That's all. Is that all I do? Is I hit F9 and it just compiles everything together?
Yep.
Okay, sweet. I must have missed that one in editing school. And then Eric has a C6Z. What are you doing there, buddy? Canada car.
Finishing up the clutch and doing a heads cam.
Nice. And then the ZR1 is up in here, so we gotta put tires on it. Did a cam package and intake. I think it already had headers.
Heads also.
Oh yeah, heads as well.
Frankenstein heads.
Forgot about that.
There's no intake on here, so.
Oh, okay. That already had it.
Did we just
did a head scan package.
Okay. Already had it. Headers been intake. Never mind.
Yeah.
They look clean under the engine bay, like a new intake. Maybe he put it on recently or something.
Or maybe he cleaned it up.
Maybe cleaned it up. Delaware car.
Is it?
Yep. Got that black plate. First pull, looks pretty good. Good power. Up quite a bit from the baseline. Not bad. 502.
Pretty good, actually.
Yeah.
Needs an intake manifold. What's on it?
Stock, yeah.
Or an air. What air intake's on it?
It's a rotofab, decent air intake, so probably intake manifold.
It's crazy because LS30s never really need them. Put a high ram on it.
Oh yeah, now you're high ram mafia. That sucks.
It would pick up though. Just saying.
500. Killer. And that's what you hope for with a head scan LS3 for sure.
Yeah.
See if we can make a little more.
Yeah.